Good morning, preschool. It's Miss Amy. Welcome to your topic class. Can you guess what the topic might be? Correct! Farm animals. What do we see at the farm? Have a little think in a chat with Mummy or Daddy about what you may see at the farm. Let's have a look. A rooster, a duck, a barn where the animals stay, a tractor, a scarecrow, horses, sheep, vegetables, cows, and many more animals. What do we get from the farm? Have a little look at the pictures and see what we get. Milk. Milk comes from cows. We also get eggs from the farm, and eggs come from chickens. We also get oranges from the farm. They are grown on trees. Vegetables. Vegetables are also grown at the farm. Apples. Apples are grown on trees in the farm. Time to match the farm animals now. What is the first picture? Correct, a rooster. We need to find the other rooster. Did you find him? Well done. What about the second picture? What do you see there? Correct, a duck. Where is the other duck? Well done. What about the third picture? What animal makes the sound ah, 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 ah? Correct, a sheep. So the third picture is a sheep. Where is the other sheep? Well done. What about the fourth picture? Correct, a pig. Where is the other pig? Did you find her? Well done. What about the fifth picture? Correct, a cow. Can you find the other cow? Great. What about the last picture? Correct, it's a chicken. Can you find the other chicken? Well done, preschool. Great work. What is your favorite farm animal? Is it a horse, a sheep, a goat, a donkey, cows, horses? My favorite farm animal is a cow. What noise does a cow make? Correct, a cow goes moo. We're going to end with a little song. Press play, listen to Old MacDonald had a farm.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here, quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here, a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow everywhere, meow, meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Meow. www.freeabcsongs.com. Happy singing!